Let's make this delicious Jamaican rum food. What is rum food? Why it is called rum food? Find out in just a minute. First things first, you just want to boil your saltfish, and then you're just going to chop up all your ingredients. I'll list that on the blog, but let's just get right into what is rum food. What is rum food? Why it is called rum food? Rum food, as my father-in-law says, is food you eat at a rum bar when you drink rum, and that's why it's called rum food. It's very delicious, very fresh ingredients like the cucumber and the tomatoes gives it a vibe. Throughout the Caribbean, rum food is called different names. It's also called pickup saltfish. It's also called in Caribbean countries like Trinidad, and the Bajans also call it boy joel. Hopefully I'm saying this correct. In Puerto Rico it's called bacalo. In Grenada it's called saltfish sauce. So it's definitely known throughout the Caribbean. It's spicy, it's delicious, it's refreshing, and I'm telling you, you will not regret making this. And it's so easy to make, and no matter how long it's in the fridge, it lasts so long. It gets better every time you taste it. So I'll definitely list all the ingredients on the blog, and I'll tag the blog in the description below. And that's basically it, guys. You just mix up all your ingredients together, and you definitely serve this with some crackers, or you can eat it with fried green plantain. I love it with fried green plantain, but the crackers gives it a vibe also. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when I post, and I'll see you guys in the next recipe.